Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a short video because I'm kind of losing my voice and it's kind of hard to talk. But I've been making these little pocket books and they're called zines. It looks like it would be pronounced ZINE, but it's like zine, like in magazine. And basically it's just a little book that you can decorate and just create in. And I thought, like, since the holidays are coming up, that you might have company over to include, small children or even adults, teenagers, and it's just a fun indoor activity that you can do. So there are many videos on the internet on how to actually make a zine, and there's no wrong way. I'll show you one of the ways that I like to make a zine. So you take a piece of copy paper, nothing special, nothing fancy. And I like copy paper because if you're going to collage on it, it's thin and it's going to take up some of the bulk. So all you do is fold it in half. Now this is where you want to be pretty precise in your folding, because the more accurate you are in the folding, the easier it is going to be when you start putting together your book. I'm just using my fingernail to crease the paper. You can use a little bone folder, a letter opener, anything you might have. So you fold it in half, and then you fold it in half again, matching up the corners. And when the paper gets a little thicker, I like to use this little tool. So we're almost there. We're going to fold it one more time. And by the way, this is 8.5 by 11 copy paper. I believe it's from like Staples. There we go. I got all my creases and all my folds. And when you open it up, you just have 8 workable areas to create in. Now I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm going to fold it this way, because what we want to do is I want to cut on this line just up to that point over there. I have a pair of scissors here, and I'm going to try to cut as accurately as possible. Some people take a ruler and use a little blade to cut. You can do that as well, but I found this to be just as easy. And you open it up and you have something that looks like this. Very simple. So to make your little booklet, kind of like take these 2 pieces right here, push it together. I'm going to take this piece right there, stick it under, and fold it. And as you can see, now we have a little booklet. That's easy peasy, just like that. All your little pages, and it's ready to decorate. Now, what I do, and a lot of people online will show you to do the same thing. When you decorate, you want to absolutely know what's the cover, what's the first page, the second page, because you can do little spreads, between page 1 and 2. So you can take a pencil, get a pencil. Now this will show the orientation. So this is going to be my front cover. I just label it front cover. I'm going to put a line there, so I know the orientation is this way for my front cover. I have page 1, 2, so I know that's going to be a nice spread if I want to do that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 'and then I have my back cover. And put a line like that, so I know the orientation is this way. This is the top. So when I open it up, I can see how to decorate. I can see this is my front cover. Then I see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do individual page decorations, or I can do my spreads. I see this is my last 2 pages in the zine, 5 and 6, and then my back cover. And I always know the orientation. So that's the way I do it. And I found it to be pretty easy. So let's just review one more time on how to fold it. You've got your little slit in the middle. You just take it, push it together. Kind of gonna take this page right here with my finger, go like that. There you go. You can decorate it any way you want. Now on Friday after work, I made this little zine, and I decided to have a theme of like fairies, and I used 99% of the products in this particular zine I used from my latest Grabie unboxing, and it was a lot of like fairies and, you know, Wonderland kind of things, so I used most of that in this zine. So here's my cover, called it Welcome to Fairyland. And I used the stamps that were in the Grabie box, and I did some stamping. This was some of the washi tape, and I made this spread. And then the next page I used from the sticker book. There were a lot of flowers and butterflies and stuff like that. And to include, we got in that box some glitter glue sticks, and I used a lot of the glitter over here to make this spread. And then my last spread was more of all these products were from the Grabie box. And then my back cover, which I kind of debated what to do here, and I'm like, oh, I might as well just say the date I made it and when I finished it and stuff like that. So that was my zine. So I went from this to this, really simple. If you have company over and you're looking for like an indoor craft, and you know, while you're cooking and stuff like this, this is a fun way to spend some time. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.